YouTubers, got my coffee maker running, got my Champ thermos. It's pretty old Champ. This was given to me for a gift. Okay, look, I love thermoses since I was like 1. This thermos back in the 90s were about 50 bucks. And these are about $40, 50 bucks. And you understand those. I'm gonna clean up my layout and stay on the camel thermos. So that's a lot of boiling. So when I use coffee, coffee in there. I got this thermos with tea, making tea. I'm gonna make some tea in the coffee maker. Champ thermos. 1980s, this coffee maker is 40 years old. Still works. It's fast. We done. We got brew, select brew off, start, Black & Decker, color show. This is a pilot light YouTubers, a pilot orange light. They don't make those anymore in the States. I'll be loud, it's traffic. Yeah, be careful when you do this because you don't want to break glass. Careful, put it in one. Cool. Sorry to do it. Tap back over that thing. They do it so. Hope this one doesn't break, because my last coffee maker freaking exploded. That crap exploded the fuck out. I'm surprised the plastic actually didn't break. Like it made a big pop inside. Coffee makers, understand? Black & Decker. Got my microwave over there. Got my champers. Pretty good shape. Done. I want to get close to that coffee pot after it was broke. I'm broke. I must stay as far away as possible. Right there. Making cakes everywhere. A dime, tea dime, straight tea quickly. First time. Got the tea bags in there, see guys. We steam pretty hot. This thermos. Yeah, so posh.